Meet my personal assistant for the past year. I got the Suvie kitchen robot for their Black Friday sale last year, and it has completely changed how we eat at home. These Suvie meal kits are delivered right to my front door, and they have so many options to choose from. This one is creamy sriracha chicken, and it's so easy. You just open the bags and pour them in the pans. I've got my cauliflower rice, and now I'm gonna pour my green beans in. I seasoned them up with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper, and then I just bring them over and put them into my Suvie, like so. Close her up. It tells you what goes on the top and what goes on the bottom, and then you're gonna scan this card, and then you schedule your cook. You can either have it cook it now, or you can schedule it to cook later, maybe when you get home from work or something. Suvie will automatically refrigerate it until it's time to start cooking it automatically. It's done. Look how good this looks. I've been using my Suvie for a year now, and I mean really using it, and it has made my life so much easier. Save $129 and get 16 meals free during Suvie's best sale of the year. Order today.